Yuck. Ugh. All right. It's a lot better, huh? Carbon fiber action up in there. All right, so today I'm going to do excuse me, I'm just getting over a cold. My voice is kind of messed up, but today I'm just going to do a quick upgrade of my C8 Corvette. I'm going to be putting some carbon fiber panels back here to dress this up a little bit. It's really ugly. This is a 3LT, and I really don't understand why this car did not come with that. I mean, this came with every option known to man, and they couldn't put the dress kit inside here. So I'm going to be installing that today. It's from the Extreme online store. So you get these panels right here. I was gonna get this carbon fiber, but I just didn't think it was worth it. For these two pieces, they wanted almost $700. So I just said the hell with it. But basically, these just bolt on, and these are applied with 3M tape. So I'm just letting that warm up in the sun a little bit, and then I'll be removing these bolts, pulling these bolts out of these cross members. These two pieces just, they bolt in, and the rest is all 3M adhesive, so I'm letting it warm up in the sun. I cleaned up the sides with alcohol before I put it on, and I kind of like that because I don't have to drill holes, make any holes in my car, so that's good. So let's go ahead and get this installed and see if it looks any better. this trim kit installed. I didn't get these carbon fiber because I'm going to paint them silver, and I didn't want to spend $700 for these two pieces. I just didn't think it was worth it. It still looks pretty good to me. I like these because you don't have to screw any holes into your car. These are held in with the factory bolts, real quick and easy. I'll be upgrading all these caps. I was going to change the engine cover, but I decided not to do that because I'm going to be replacing that with a blower once the warranty expires. I'll be making more videos on this. I'm going to be putting in a 2M exhaust with cats and headers. Once I start that, I'll start documenting and uploading to my channel. You guys can check it out. I know there's a lot of videos out there, but I'm just going to go ahead and share my build with you guys as well, and my all my upgrades. So if you have any questions about this, you can get this at the extremeonlinestore.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you have any questions, just reach out. Thanks for watching.